Finally got the boarding pass. Ding. Terminal is T3 and I have to go by this side. But before that, I think I should eat something.
What do you mean? Sandwich or salad?
Salad. Yes, the
Right.
tuna salad. So I got the tuna salad. अब I need a space to sit in. खाने के अलावा कुछ भी खुला नहीं है. Okay, so कहाँ से शुरू करें? I think let's start it from the washing rooms. So I left it in the morning. So पहले I think you should know where actually I'm going. I'm going to Dubai. When you enter the airport, एक रेड बैंड ये वाला बांध देते हैं वो तुम्हारे हाथ में और उसके बाद तुम अंदर आ सकते हो. तो हुआ क्या कि सिक्योरिटी चेकिंग पे मुझे रोक लिया था बिकॉज मेरे पासपोर्ट पे दुबई की स्टैम्प है. तो उन्होंने क्या करा ये एक टैग लगा दिया मेरे पासपोर्ट के पीछे. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सिक्योरिटी लेवल. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट सिक्योरिटी लेवल इट इज़. तो मतलब हर एक कंट्री के लिए अलग सिक्योरिटी लेवल है इजराइल में. तो जैसे टर्की के लिए ज़्यादा, यूएई के लिए कम. एंड उसके बाद मेरा चेक इन हो रहा था जब, तो एक रैंडम क्वेश्चनेयर था बट इट वाज सो डैम इंटेंस कि आई वाज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एक्चुअली इज गोइंग ऑन बिकॉज इट टुक मी लाइक 15-20 मिनट उसने मेरा इंटरव्यू लिया. लाइक व्हाई आर यू गोइंग टू दुबई, व्हेन डिड यू लास्ट वेंट टू दुबई, टाउन क्या है, कब जा रहे हो दोबारा, कहाँ से आ रहे हो. सो एवरीथिंग लाइक 15-20 मिनट उसने ख़तरनाक तरीके से एक इंटरव्यू का सेशन होता है. द ओनली रीज़न बिकॉज मेरे पासपोर्ट पे जो है वो दुबई की स्टैम्प है. दैट्स द ओनली रीज़न. Apart from that, everything went very smoothly. There are some kind of documents which are required to travel. तो सबसे पहली बात कि you need to have the ticket obviously. तो मैंने फ्लाई दुबई की करी थी. उसके बाद उसके लिए जब तुम फ्लाई दुबई से टिकट करोगे उसके बाद तुम्हें एग्जिट फॉर्म भरना पड़ेगा, एग्जिट फ्रॉम इजराइल. तो वो भी फिल करा मैंने. दैट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कोरोना टेस्ट लेना पड़ता है. तो जब मैंने कोरोना टेस्ट लिया तब सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत ये आई कि मेरी रिपोर्ट नहीं आई. तो उसकी वजह से मुझे दोबारा कर लेना पड़े. रात को पवन के साथ आया था. यू माइट नो अबाउट पवन, ही इज़ अ फ्रेंड. और उसके अलावा सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म्स, फिर उसके बाद ग्रीन पास, वैक्सीनेशन सर्टिफिकेट. बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई ग्रीन पास क्यों दिया है अगर आपको वो देखना ही नहीं है. तो मे बी व्हेन आई एंटर बैक इनटू इजराइल शायद तब वो देखें. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट और कुछ है नहीं. बहुत लंबी लाइन लगी है यार. So finally in Dubai, and let's explore the airport first and then maybe we'll go out. So here we are in the boat and off we go. The boat ride is over. गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है यार. And okay, here we go to the tram, the Dubai tram. Off the train and to Dubai Marina Mall. Wow. This is south of Atlantis. Off to Atlantis. The beauty out there. It's really cool, but the weather is not that much cool. It's hot. This time is for the ferry ride to the Palm Island. Okay, let's go inside.
Just please.
Okay, that was it from the Surrey, and now we'll be going to Burj Khalifa. See you there. There it is, the Burj Khalifa, the building behind this. This aquarium from the outside. So that was it from the Dubai aquarium. Actually we inquired, and somebody said there is nothing else inside. It's like 70% of the mall is visible outside, so the aquarium is doing okay. Here it is, the Burj Khalifa. Here we go. That's it from Dubai. Signing off. See you at some other place soon. I don't know. So there are a few things which you need to keep in mind before traveling from Israel to India. First and the foremost thing is to get your COVID test done. So in order to do your COVID test, you need to go to either Sheba Medical Center, which is basically in Ramat Gan. So you can get your medical test done there. Apart from that, you can go to Rabin Square. But the only problem with Rabin Square is that there you get the report in Hebrew. So if you get a report in Hebrew, you need to translate it to English, which is really challenging because the other airlines will want it to be in English. So you must get it from Sheba Medical Center first of all. Or apart from that, it costs you around 150 shekels for that. And apart from that, you can go to the second option, which is the Ben Gurion Airport. So for the Ben Gurion Airport, you need to pay 140 shekels for overall, and you need to book a test before you can fly. So you can book a test for like 12 hours before the flight, so that it will take you around 4 hours to get the report, and then you can safely board the flight. In order to book the flight, this link is in the description. So the documents which are required are basically the outbound document from Israel if you are leaving Israel. The second document is basically the corona test report, which is very important because it will be checked at Israel airport as well as at the Dubai airport for your entry. And the third one is basically the Air Suvidha form. The link of all of them is in the description, and you need to fill all of those, and then you can fly to India. The next thing is about flying via Dubai. If you want to fly by Dubai, you don't have to pay anything for the transit visa, because you can stay in the transit area for like 24 hours, and it's especially for Indians, so they don't have to get the transit visa.